Living on dividends can be a sustainable and rewarding investment strategy for those seeking a steady income stream. By carefully selecting dividend-paying stocks, you can create a reliable source of income that grows over time. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you not only benefit from regular payouts, but also from the potential appreciation of the stock value itself. You can generate passive income that can support your lifestyle and financial goals over the long term. This means more financial security and peace of mind.
Imagine receiving regular payouts that help cover your expenses, allowing you to focus on what truly matters in life. All while your investments continue to grow, providing you with a sense of financial freedom and stability. That's the power of living on dividends. It's a strategy that can offer both immediate income and long-term growth potential.
When building a portfolio focused on dividends, it's important to diversify your investments across different sectors and industries. This means not putting all your eggs in one basket and spreading your investments to mitigate risks. This helps spread risk and ensures that you have a stable income stream even if one sector underperforms. Diversification can protect your portfolio from market volatility and economic downturns.
You might consider blue-chip companies, real estate investment trusts, which offer reliable dividends and potential for growth, or even dividend aristocrats to create a well-rounded portfolio. These stocks have a history of consistently paying and increasing dividends, making them a solid choice for long-term investment.
When building a portfolio focused on dividends, it's important to diversify your investments across different sectors and industries. This means not just sticking to one type of stock or bond, but spreading your investments across various asset classes. This helps spread risk and ensures that you have a stable income stream, even if one sector underperforms. By diversifying, you can protect yourself from market volatility and economic downturns.
Diversification is key to maintaining a robust dividend income, so don't put all your eggs in one basket. Consider including stocks, bonds, real estate, and even international investments in your portfolio. Explore various industries and sectors to find the best opportunities. Look into technology, healthcare, consumer goods, and energy sectors to create a well-rounded and resilient portfolio.
When selecting dividend-paying stocks, pay attention to both the dividend yield and the company's history of dividend growth. A high dividend yield may be attractive, but it's essential to consider the company's ability to sustain and grow its dividends over time.
Reinvesting dividends is a powerful strategy that can accelerate the growth of your investment portfolio. By reinvesting dividends back into the same stocks or other investments, you can take advantage of compounding returns and increase your overall wealth over time.
Regularly review your dividend portfolio to ensure that your investments align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Consider adjusting your holdings based on changes in the market, company performance, and economic conditions to optimize your income stream.
In conclusion, living on dividends can provide a reliable source of income and financial security. By following a disciplined investment strategy, diversifying your portfolio, and staying informed about market trends, you can create a sustainable income stream that supports your lifestyle and long-term financial objectives.